Saan ba ito ilalabas? Pwede ba sa Pornhub?
Ginawa naman kami furniture dito.
Sana ay mabasbasan din kami kung magkano po yung allowances. Anong question mo?
Ano yung masasabi niyo sa video yung pinakita nila?
Ang sabi ko ay, may galit si MJ. Pero alam mo, expected nothing less. Because ganun talaga sila. They would take you out of context. They would make it, they have a narrative to push. And that narrative is to make us look dumb, make us look like we're liars, make us look like somebody pays us to say these things. But if they had actual evidence, they could have already presented. It's been 4 months. It's been 4 months since Barber said Pogo-funded, narco-funded vloggers, ang 14 na pinatawag niya. And pinasa pa nila yung request sa NBI. Hanggang ngayon, wala naman silang produce, and it's been 4 months. So in short, because they cannot destroy us with actual hard facts, they're just going to create this narrative that they cannot even push. And even me, the post that they showed was taken out of context. Clean up nila.
Ang masaklap kasi, they're doing all this in a venue na walang fair game.
There's no and we are taxpayers, yeah. This is our tax. Para kami ginigisa sa sariling mantika. Tax natin yan.
Exactly.
Ginigisa kami sa sariling naming tax. We're paying for our own, natawag doon. We're paying for our own
shaming, discrediting. Yun, hindi siya fair game.
Pag nalaman ko na mataba ako dyan, gumanda ka rin ganyan. Pag ako ha, hindi mo man lang ako angguluhan dyan.
Inaangguluhan nga kita, ikaw lang magulo eh. Pakilikot-likot ka eh.
Alam mo, I have no words sa mga pinagagagawa nila. Tulad kanina, di ba?
Ay, can we go inside? It's so hot here.
Nag-request pa?
I much as like I want to sue them for doing this to us. And to me particularly, yung paggamit ng photo ko doon, to send a message na may mga trolls and fake news bloggers, tapos yung mukha ko doon ang nilagay, pangalan namin ni Crisette. Foul yun eh. But can we sue them? No, because they're hiding behind immunity. Diba? It's...
Okay, naantok lang ako. Wala ka sa sarili.
Pero subukan nilang ilagay outside the hearing, di ba? And at least I would have a recourse. Pwede ko rin silang balikan at i-demanda sa sasasabi at pinagkagagawa nila. Pero
may dinimanda naman tayo at may nireklamo din naman tayo sa ombudsman. Pero yung kasama sa parliamentary immunity,
they're immune.
They're immune. Pero outside of their jobs, they've been oppressing us. So there's that.
I'd like to categorically say na wala akong sinulat na fake news, pero ako yung ginamit doon na sample ng fake news just because I apologize. But if you...
Inulit-ulit na yung tama ako.
But if you watch the entire hearing, diba? I apologize. It was an apology in duress.
Say hi to old school Pinoy viewers.
Hello guys. Oh, ginawa naman kami furniture dito.
Ano lang tayo?
Ginawa kami furniture dito.
Pero after this, wala na, no?
After this, wala na. That's the last hearing.
So wala rin na tayo magbabonding.
Dalawang beses na ako nag-raise kanina, hindi ako tinawag ha.
They will not call us.
Hindi ako magsasalita ko, hindi. Mag-walk out ako dyan.
Ay, nalaman mo ba? Or walk out na?
Ay, hindi pa. Papatak ko na siya.
Mag-share ka lang pala. Kala mo naman kasi may
Mag-share ka muna, balik ka.
Girls, pinapagkita ko lang sa kanila, pwede ako mag-walk out. Try run lang yan.
Yes. So, hindi talaga kayo masaya dun sa video?
Oh, Diyos ko ha. Sabi ko nga kung hindi lang sila immune. Tama yun. Kasi wala po akong sinulat ng fake news. Those were my opinions. And well-founded naman.
Hindi, tsaka to be fair, that day that we cried, it was like barely a week after Pierre Ernie's arrest. Or
yeah. We're
March.
very vulnerable ng mga oras na yun.
Ako parang feeling ko parang sacrifice ko yung Pierre Ernie. Feeling.
Sa'yo, yes. Aside from that kasi, di ba, I'm going through a lot then. And just recently nga, sabi ko, my mom-in-law passed away. So ngayon nila gawin kasi medyo mas may
Mag-delete si MJ. Saan ba ito ilalabas? Pwede ba sa Pornhub?
Oo, hindi ka mataba dito.
Ulit ako sa in-person.
Oo, talaga. Dito lang
Ulit ako
siguro.
in-person.
Oh, nilayo ko na. So,
Sa Pornhub talaga.
pwede?
Kailangan mo is-beep, no? Kasi natatakot ano ka. Sa Facebook pa to or sa YouTube or where?
ang dami kasi
Sa live, dyan sa Facebook.
Alive to?
Hindi.
Yeah.
Hindi pa, ilalive ko mamaya. Pag-uwi.
okay, sige.
So, ano yung message nyo ngayon sa TRICOM kung ito na yung huling TRICOM natin?
Message po namin ay sana ay mabasbasan din kami kung magkano po yung allowances na nakukuha natin. Kung meron man, since we were part of the entire
Tama.